Hello guys and welcome to this video. Today's video will be about Xcart. Xcart is an exceptional e-commerce platform that I highly recommend. It's user-friendly, future-rich, and offers a seamless online shopping experience for both customers and owner. So how to start? You click on Get Started. Want to see your store in action. You give your first name, your last name, your brand name, your email address and your phone number. Click on next. Thank you. We'll get in touch with you shortly to discuss your project. Okay, this is taking the project too serious, and you can schedule a demo to show you how. 20 plus years history in-house and 24/7 quality customer support. You can click here if you need any help. We will talk about the customer support later. They have automotive platform, marketplace, trusted by Amazon Pay, Stripe, Google Ads, PayPal Credit, Authorize.net, Google Pay and Apple Pay, Apple Pay and PayPal and shipping easy. So this is why I choose Xcart. Unlock e-commerce growth, customize your business, reach new markets, choose the better platform. So you can migrate your store to this website, choosing a customized e-commerce solution, table of content. So this have why a custom commerce solution is a key and things to consider when selecting a custom. So they will have a few tips for you for your e-commerce service. Here we have the services offered by the website: 24/7 support, managed hosting, professional service, Xcart App Store, CEO audit and consultation, and the migration to Xcart if you already have a website. To see the pricing, a flexible solution that drives your business growth. We have the platform starting at $199 per month. It has a highly customizable e-commerce platform, unlimited SKUs, customizable themes, and pre-built templates. Hundreds of add-ons and IPE integration with such as ShipStation, Avalor, PayPal, Checkout, etc. They have flexible payment processor and powerful APIs and open code access. The marketplace plan has everything that the platform has, plus host your own multi-seller marketplace with the power and customization of Xcart platform. You can have many vendors as you desire. Each vendor has their own catalog and manage their own order. You can also choose one of the ways you ship your goods from single warehouse or from vendor separate warehouse. The automotive plan is another thing. It contains what has the marketplace and the platform. Grow your market store online, but it has also built on Xcart platform with future design specially for automotive e-commerce website. The ability for customers to use year, make, model, search filter. Garage features ability for customers to save and reuse years, make, model, search filter. Complex auto parts, feed management, and automotive themes. So Xcar future and package, those are some, like I said, like I wrote here, the benefits of each plan and the features. So about this website, they have the story. It's the company of Xcart was founded 2001 and it's still working this time. Xcart by the numbers since 2001, plus more than $3 billion, plus more than 40k online store, more than 200 employers, more than 14 location in 5 countries and 9 time zones, 14 open position. And this is just about the team: CEO, COO, VPA of engineering. So the Cell Labs, Xcard, this is everything about the website, but it has more qualities. So one of the standout qualities of Xcard is the ease of use. The platform is intuitive, making it easy for everyone, regardless of your technical expertise, to set up and manage your online store. The interface is clean and well organized, allowing you to navigate effortlessly and access the necessary tools and settings. And when it comes to features, Xcart truly shines. It offers a wide range of powerful tools and extensions that enhance the functionality of your own store, from customizable product catalog and secure payment gateway to inventory management and order tracking. Xcart has it all. You can also integrate popular third-party services such as CRM and email marketing platform for further streamline your business operation. And another standout feature of Xcart is its robust security measures. It prioritizes the safety of the customer and sensitive information by employing SSL encryption and PCI DSS compliance. This instills trust and confidence in your online store, leading to increased sales and customers' loyalty. Lastly, Xcart provides excellent customer support. Their team is responsive, knowledgeable, and always ready to assist you with any questions or issues you might encounter. You can just send them direct message, and in few seconds, one of the customer care team will answer you in seconds. And in summary, Xcart is a top-notch e-commerce platform that combines user-friendliness, powerful features, flexibility, and strong security measures. Whether you are starting a new online venture or looking to upgrade your current platform, Xcart is an excellent choice. It empowers you to create a successful online store and provides delightful shopping service and experience for your customers. That's it for today's video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.